Hello everyone. Today's recipe is called Keema Palak Methi, which is ground beef with spinach and fenugreek leaves. In a wok, on high heat, add 2 bunches of spinach and 1 bunch of fenugreek leaves chopped. Add 1.5 pounds of ground beef, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, add 1 heaping tablespoon of red chili powder, add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Mix well and cook for about 3 minutes. Add 1/4 cup oil. Stir to mix. Add 1 roughly sliced onion. Reduce heat to medium. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Mix well. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes till the water has evaporated. Once the water has evaporated, increase the heat to high and add another 1/4 cup of oil. Add additional half a tablespoon of garlic paste. Stir and mix well. Add 1 to 2 green chillies, chopped. Stir and mix. Add salt to taste. Keep stirring. Add half a cup of chopped cilantro. Add 1 tablespoon of kasoori methi, which is dried fenugreek leaves. Cover and remove from heat. Leave it covered for 10 minutes before serving. It's done! Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!